Welcome to the Afloat Do-It-Yourself Pedestal Frame Instructional video. The first step is to purchase your pedestal materials. For this video, we are building a 12-inch high pedestal. Connect the head and on one side of the outer pedestal using two of the 2.5-inch corner brackets spaced evenly, vertically on the inside corner. Repeat in each of the 3 remaining corners. Place the two 48-inch slotted plywood pieces to form an X with the points of the X facing the 4 corners of the outer pedestal walls. After your Afloat Essential decking is centered on top of the pedestal, use 1-inch brackets to connect the bottom of the deck to the outer face of the pedestal. You can also attach a 1-inch bracket to the bottom outer edge of the deck by your heater as a metal receiver for the magnetized Afloat temperature control. Now you're ready for the rest of your Afloat Essential mattress installation. Visit afloatsleep.com to download the Afloat Essential Instruction PDF under Instruction Manuals, as well as access the Afloat Essential Instructional video.